Welcome to Future for Learning Presentations. We share creative ideas with you and others with my presentation techniques. What ideas about you have? Type it here. Type it in here. So let's get started with part 23. Answer would be this is that definition I discussed in part 22. So not a turn again. Okay. This is the tip number 22. Tip number 22. Pay regular attention to the following facts regarding the proper use of land. Proper use of land. Proper use of lands. කොහොමද භූමිය පරිහරණය proper in this proper use of land you can hear විධිමත්ව භූමිය පරිහරණය කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා තමයි කියන්නේ මේකේ ක්‍රමවේද තුනක්ම තියෙනවා විධිමත්ව භූමිය ක්‍රමවත්ව පරිහරණය කරන්න. Find the places where soil erosion occurs and grow cover crops and build stone ledges or make drains. Cover the land with chaff, coir dust or straw. මේවා වසන් කියලාත් කියනවා නේ. Let's get back. Dig a compost pit and make fertilizer with kitchen waste and dry leaves. Ooh. Now I knew it. Let's go. Tip number 23. When the available resources are utilized in the immediate surroundings of your school or home, various changes may occur in the environment. Therefore, you must be careful to do those changes in a manner which will not harm the environment. Figure 3.2. Utilization of land in a proper use. Assignment. Select a portion of land of your home and school and prepare a plan to use it in a proper manner. Implement the plan with the advice of your teacher. That's right. Now we are going to the bad use of land. This means irregular use of land. Irregular use of land. So what is irregular? අවිධිමත්ව භූමිය පරිහරණය කිරීමෙන් ඇතිවන ප්‍රතිඵල Irregular use of land, expansion of agricultural lands on a mass scale, cultivation on mountain slopes, excessive use of agrochemicals, extraction of clay to make tiles and bricks, unlimited sand mining in rivers, mining limestone, irregular gem mining. Oh my goodness me! You have to stop these, and save the environment before it's too late. Destruction of the ecosystem, soil erosion, destruction of animal habitats, floods, landslides, shortage of drinking water, droughts. Figure 3.3 indicates how land is used in an improper manner and its effects. I mean harmful effects. Figure 3.3. Improper use of land and its effects. Some time to revise things. By studying this part, you will be able to identify improper manner of land and results. Utilization of the land in a proper manner. Trivia time to learn more. Did you know This caused the extinction of many animals. You are right. Question time, ask a question. What are the improper manners in land in today's question? අද දවසේ අහන ප්‍රශ්නේ තමයි මේක. ඔයාලගේ do right to answer in your yoga exercise book. Answer will explain when I make the 24th part of the yoga textbook presentations. Hope you learned something new in this part. Until next time, it is me, zooming out. Thanks for watching this part 23 of this awesome yoga textbook presentation series. What do you think about? Comment below and like the video. And smash the subscribe button right now so you don't miss any videos of me out now. Bye!